Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Tuesday, September the 19th, 2023. It's the third Tuesday in September. That means today it's Princess Day. Yes, Princess Day or Budget Day. Let me show you the news of today. Well, here we have the newspaper. News of today. It's a budget day. That means that the government announces the plans of the coming year, and the king will read those plans, and announce it. We have here two regular puzzles: the binary puzzle and the killer Sudoku. Yeah, killer Sudoku. We have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles: the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 0 stars Sudoku, 3 star Sudoku, tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Otherwise, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Let me start with this first one. Binary Sudoku number. Let me see. Yeah, need to make space for this Sudoku. Alright, binary Sudoku number 7122. Yeah, 7122. Before I start, I always count the printed digits around this one. Yes, 36 printed digits. And it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 12 by 12 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 6 1s and 6 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double 1, here no, there no. 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 Now the double O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O's, 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 here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O, double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, need one more. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Between two O's comes an 1. Double one here, no there, no. Come on. 3, double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. Double O here, one there, one. Double one here, no there, no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one here, no there, no. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. 3, 4. Well, and now I'm stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the rest are ones. Double one here, no there, no. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. This is taking too long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's the opening? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O here, one there, one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have here 5 O's in the last column. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. If I place number 6 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be no. Between two O's comes in 1. 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. 4. Well. It's not easy, this one. 5. We have a double O here. No, I cannot compare. Well. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 completed rows. 1, 2, 2 completed columns. Double O here. Double O. Yeah, no. Well. I need to think here. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Overlook something. Do we have a 101 here? 1001 here. Here we have a 001. 10. Oh. Ah. This row. That row. 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1 0 0 empty box. 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have 1 here, this should be no. We have 0 here, this should be a 1. Alright, and now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes in 1. Then 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And between an O and a 1, with two empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. So that box should be an O. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here. Cannot compare the rows because we have more boxes left. Need to compare the columns now. The question is which? Well, this one is almost the same, the last one and this one. Okay, and now how about this one, double 1 here. 01, 1, double 1, oh yes, this column and that column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch these two digits here. We have an O here. This should be a 1. We have a 1 here. This should be no. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Okay, and now we have this column and the last column are almost the same. Let me do a compare. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch these two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 O's. So the rest are ones. And between the ones comes an O. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, complete in 50 minutes. Well, tough one with a lot of comparing. 1, 2, 3 times we need to compare. But we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, 12 by 12. And I hope you enjoy this binary. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle, Killer Sudoku, with 2 given numbers. Until then, bye bye for now.